Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a small Temu haul, and what makes this Temu haul different from my previous ones is that this time around I have actually created some projects with them, and hopefully they will give you a better insight as to how you can use these dies that I have found on Temu. And as always, if you are interested in making a purchase, you can always check out my links that are right underneath this video. Enjoy the video. So my very first set of dies is this really cute cupcake die that I decided to make several of them to use as embellishments for some of my Temu projects. And so, as you can see, it came out so sweet, so cute. And of course, you can always embellish it for Christmas and whatnot. I decided to use one of the cupcakes on this greeting card. It is an A2 size greeting card that I also created using dies from Temu that you will see in just a bit. And you'll notice that over here, as I'm showing you the cupcakes that I had made with my dies from Temu, I noticed that, hey, this looks really cute, laying one on top of the other. So lo and behold, I decided right at that moment to go ahead and add some double-sided foams to the back of my other cupcake and place it right on top of the first one. And if you are taking a look at my nails, they are from Temu as well. And that poking tool that I have, that I'm using right now, I have also purchased it from Temu. In fact, they do carry the little pokies that you can go ahead and add your beads to them. And everything that you see there, like the beads, the cute flowers, and even my bracelet, they all come from Temu. So this is the set of dies that I decided to use for my card, and as you can see, you do get a pop out, and I went ahead and used that pop out to mat the inside of my card, and I think it looks really, really cute. Here is another project that I made with my die sets from Temu. What I really liked about this banner die set is the scalloped edges and the stitched edges. They're scallop/stitched edges that you get on each and every single one of them. I believe there are 4. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. Yep, there are 4 banners in this set, and I really like them. I do have banner sets, all sorts of banner sets, but I think this is my favorite. Now, what I'm showing you here are some sentiment dies that I used on this project and on another one that you will see in just a sec. That one says Once Upon a Time, and I went ahead and I used the second to the last banner to die cut it, to put it on it, and the other one says Celebrate, which of course I decided to use on the first banner that you saw. Now, I made a bookmark with the bookmark set of dies that you see right there, and there I'm showing you that I used watercolor paper to make it sturdy, and I used a sheet from my Mother's Day paper collection, and it's just a simple bookmark, and the bows that you see there and the flat back button pearls are also from Temu. And last but not least, here we have this really cute, it's so adorable, tiny bag topper that I saw that Temu carries, and I went ahead and got it because I also purchased these small thin bags that you see right there where I do my pen giveaways, and of course my pen and the beads and everything that you see there, including the flat back pearls, the butterflies, they're all from Temu. Everything that you see there has been provided by Temu, and I am just so thankful for the opportunity. Make sure that you check the links in the description area underneath this video, and leave me a thumbs up and a comment and let me know what you think. Do you just rather see a regular haul video, or do you enjoy projects that are already made with my die sets from Temu? Let me know down below. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.